you been studying English for years? You know all the grammar rules, but the moment you try to speak, your mind goes completely blank? You are not alone, and you are not bad at English. You've just been taught the wrong way. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate step-by-step guide to actually speaking fluent English from home. Let's start with Step 1. Step 1. Stop translating in your head. When you translate word for word from your native language to English, it takes too much time. You need to connect the English word directly to the object. Look around your room right now and name things only in English. Desk, window, chair. Clear and simple. To speak fluently, you have to start thinking in English. Section 2. The shadowing method. The most common excuse I hear is, "But I don't have anyone to practice speaking with." Just follow this one. Listen to a native speaker. 2. Pause the video. 3. Repeat the sentence exactly. You don't need anyone. You need a technique called shadowing. You don't need a speaking partner. Find a short video clip of a native speaker, listen to a single sentence, pause it, and repeat it out loud. Copy their rhythm, their pronunciation, and their emotion. Do this for 5 minutes a day. Section 3. The 30-day fluency routine. To make this actually work, you need a daily routine. But you are busy, and I get that. So here is your 15-minute daily fluency routine that you can start tomorrow. Minutes 1 to 5. Listen to an English podcast or watch a video while you do the dishes or get ready. Minutes 5 to 10. Pick 3 sentences from what you just heard and practice shadowing them out loud. Minutes 10 to 15. Spend 5 minutes writing a quick journal entry about your day in English. If you don't know a word, look it up. If you do this every single day for a month, you will be shocked at how much easier the words flow out of your mouth. Here is my final piece of advice. Please stop being afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Native speakers do not care if your grammar is perfect. They just want to connect with you. Now, if you want to make sure your English sounds completely natural, you need to stop making the most common grammar mistakes that immediately give away that you're a beginner. Click on the subscribe button so you can see my next video where I break down the 10 biggest English mistakes and exactly how to fix them. See you there!